Good afternoon, sir. I'm Ramelin Castro from BSISM 4C. This talk parts and function. In the internal, this assault seat belt, and this steering wheel, and this is clutch, brake, and accelerator, and gear stick, and handbrake, and the dashboard, and mirror. Okay, sir. Now the external parts of car: side mirror, tire, and the lights, and the battery, and the radiator, and the wiper. This is a plate number, and that's all. Thank you, sir, and good afternoon.